Hey friends, we are at our first winery. It is very windy, so hopefully you're able to hear me. I've never stayed at one, never been to one. Look at that. Since the weather is so nice here in New Mexico, we are going to put the deck down. So the hubby's going to unhook. Buck, even though it's only one night, I think it's worth it, and so does he. Ready to enjoy some wine out on deck? Yeah. Check out these mountains over here. And this is why we want to have the deck down.
Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I wonder if you got that feeling, staring at your bedroom ceiling. And think
there
about
we go.
me
You got
the
it.
way I think about you. Could you tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. Hey, these four walls get so depressing. Fuck me and my second guessing, reading every text you sent just one more time. It's quiet when we both are sober, but 2 drinks in and we start all over again, and it feels so right. So just tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. Hey,
That's it. Got your deck up. Now we're ready to enjoy some wine. We've never been to a winery, so is there a dress code? Don't know. The hubby and I are gonna go wine tasting and probably buy a bottle of wine. Maybe 2, I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is such a cool truck. Look. Sitting area. Wow. So cool. I love old vehicles. It's a Ford. Food smells so good.
And you just happen to have stuff. This is full of people.
Wow. Is that where we go, or? Thank you. Wow. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Ooh, look at this, yummy. Because of my allergy, I had to get this, but I really wanted that. I really wanted their pasta, but unfortunately I had to get the platter, but it's so good. Never had, I can't remember what they called this cheese. You remember what she said this cheese was? I don't know, but it's delicious. Thumbs up. And the wine, delicious. Oh. What was your favorite wine?
The Pinot so far.
The Pinot.
But we got one more coming.
Got one more? We got one more sample
This is
coming.
a cab.
Oh my gosh, friends, that was an amazing dinner. Unfortunately, I missed the sunset. But the wine, amazing. We bought 4 bottles. We bought 4 bottles. Kind of see some of it. That was amazing. Love it. We will definitely be back to this winery when we're in this area in New Mexico. I can't believe we're in New Mexico. Wow. Look at that. First experience at a winery was amazing. The waitresses there were amazing. They are amazing. They're so sweet, so kind. I love it. Babe! Jerk! Yeah, protect me. He's mean.
Did you seriously get scared?
Yes, because I wasn't expecting that.
Are you recording?
Luckily I was.
Still recording.
Hey friends, today we are leaving New Mexico. It's just a short little travel day, one night stop, and we're almost to Texas. Hoping I could see the sign. Have to be almost there. There it is, Texas! We've officially hit a new state, Texas. Ooh! Oh yeah, that does look like. Dang! Ah. This looks like a nice water park, guys. There's a big mountain. Wet and Wild Water World. Let's hope Texas roads are just as good as New Mexico, because New Mexico is real. Oh, welcome to Texas, right there too. I think I got it. We're pretty sure that's Mexico.
Not pretty sure that is.
Yeah, it's pretty run down, so yeah.
They can easily cross. Oh, there's a big fence there.
Yeah, there's the Mexico. Most likely, maybe. Oh my gosh. Dang, we were so close to Mexico. Well, maybe. They look pretty run down too. Maybe Texas. I don't know, maybe that was New Mexico. I'm definitely,
sure
or
it's
Mexico.
Because I know we're basically, look on the map, and we're right there.
So, you can see. I cannot believe we saw New Mexico. I keep saying New Mexico because we're in New Mexico. Just drove past Mexico. Huh. Could definitely tell. And there's shows right on there. So cool. Border exit for the border crossing.
Got a text message.
I hope I got that. Because I just put my camera away. That's crazy. We're that close to Mexico. I just saw a big old border thing right over there. There's Mexico.
Now, what show I watched with them fix up the cars was in this town.
You see the black border.
Get the cars for cheap.
Yep. Not as close as we were, but it's still pretty dang cool that we can see Mexico. They've definitely been watching RVs. Let's see if they let this motorhome. Oh no, they let that motorhome go. I wonder why. There was a small little RV and they had them stopped for a while, and now they're just letting everyone pretty much go. Well, we passed. They just asked if we're U.S. citizens and let us go up. Move on up. Oh, that's a weird looking building or house. Wake up, Rocky! That was a long siesta! Hey friends, so we made it to our next spot for the next 7 nights. 6 or 7 nights? Oh my gosh. Well, we have a lot of fun plans. So we're just gonna call this an evening. We are here in Texas now. Went through New Mexico, out of Arizona, and now we're in Texas. So I'm going to end this vlog here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another fun adventure with our Home on Wheels, because we're taking you around. We're taking you to cool places. Please let me know down in the comments what we should do in Texas or any state, anywhere, your favorite place. Let your girl know. Drop it down below. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, friends.